Hi, I'm Ted Baum from TruLog Siding. Today I'd like to show you how to install a custom trim piece we call a C-cap. You would use this between two windows that are too close together, where siding is hard to get in and our bowl window trim will not work. This is the C-cap. When measuring your window, you want to measure from top to bottom and usually add an inch, and that gives us a little room for error. We also want the measurement between the windows at the bottom and also at the top, because they won't be exact in every situation. Now I already have our C-cap cut to length. What you're going to want to do is 45 your corners, top and bottom. This makes it a lot easier to install. So what you want to do is start at the top, get your piece between the J channel and the window. Do the same on the other side. Slowly push up against the top piece and then work your way down. So now after it's pushed in, you want to make sure that it's even top and bottom. And we like to have it recessed. That way it gives you a nice area to put a corner bead to make it watertight. That concludes the install of our C-cap. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call.